Full day routine for 10 to 15 years old. Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on a full day routine for 10 to 15-year-olds. Whether you're a student or just want to feel your best, this routine has got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Wake up early, keeping some time in hand so you don't have to rush for school. Put on an alarm or tell someone to wake you up early. Step 2. After you're awake, do some quick stretches. If you want, you can have a quick 10 minutes workout session. Step 3. Try to make your bed. This will only take about 5 minutes, and you can jump onto your tidy bed after a long day at school. Step 4. Brush your teeth and wash your face with a mild cleanser. Step 5. If you love taking shower in the morning, this is the time. Step 6. Dry your hair properly. Apply moisturizer and sunscreen. Step 7. Hydration is a must. I reach for a glass of water first thing to kickstart your metabolism and hydrate your body after a good night's sleep. Step 8. You can stand in front of your mirror and say some positive affirmations that relates with you. Step 9. Study time. Go through the lesson that'll be taught today and revise yesterday's class notes. This quick review will help you to answer any questions that Teachers asks today. Step 10. Pick your outfit or uniform and iron it if needed. Get dressed for school. Step 11. Tie your hair. Do hairstyle that go with your school rules. Step 12. Have you breakfast? Don't skip it. Try to have at least some things so you can concentrate better at school. Step 13. Pack your bag, recheck your class schedule, and make sure to take all the books, stationery, and copies you need. Step 14. Grab your water bottle, wallet, umbrella, or raincoat if it's raining. Step 15. Also make sure you apply lip balm and carry it with you. Step 16. School time, do the classes attentively. Don't gossip with your friends while the teacher is teaching. Note down the importance point. If you don't understand something, don't feel shy to ask your teacher. Step 17. After you come back home, change your clothes and wear something comfy. Wash your face, hand and feet. Step 18. Take a shower now if it's too hot and you're sweating. Step 19. Have lunch if you haven't at school, or else have some snacks. Try to include fruits and vegetables in your diet. Step 20. Lay down on your bed and take some rest. It's a good time to take a quick nap or scroll through your phone. Watch some YouTube videos or read a storybook. Step 21. Attend any extra classes you have. Utilize this time to finish your projects and assignments. If you have no assignment to submit, solve some math problems. This daily practice will increase your calculation skills. Step 22. Now it's free time. Hang out with your friends. Play any game together. Have fun. I'm guessing you're grounded or not allowed to go out. What to do? Don't worry, I got you covered. Here's a list of things you can do at home. Pick something you like. Bake some cookies, redecorate your bedroom, play with your pet, read a new book, dance to your favorite music, start learning a new language. Step 23. If you love spending time alone, go for a walk outside. You can go to a park or a nearby place you love. Step 24. Study session. Finish your homework, revise last week's lessons. If you have an exam, read for it and solve past test paper. Step 25. Have dinner. Enjoy a balanced meal with your family, share stories and laughter. Step 26. Brush your teeth. Change into your pajamas. Complete your bedtime skincare routine. Step 27. Pick your outfit for the next day. You can also pack your bag to save time tomorrow morning. Step 28. Keep a journal. Write about your day and the things you're grateful for. Also make a to-do list for tomorrow so you don't miss any important task. Step 29. Dim the lights. Get onto the bed. Know that you did your best today, utilized your time properly, and now you deserve a good sleep. Step 30. Smile and be positive. Go to sleep. Have some sweet dreams. Remember, don't be too hard on yourself. You're the best and you're trying your best. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks and share this video with your girlies. Stay fabulous.